Hello and welcome to the video tutorial on how to use the AnyLog Remote GUI. Today we will be going over the Blockchain Manager section. When you open up the Blockchain Manager section, we will be greeted by this little dashboard. At the very top left, you can see here there's a Get option. Here I'm just going to select Get All, and this will automatically create the Get All chain. And if I execute this, you can see all the different cards in the blockchain. Every policy is represented as a card with a name, company, and information, like so. If I were to look for a specific one, I can look at this one, for example. We have the basic information, company, name, status, ID data, and metadata, as well as some ledger information. Looking at other ones, you can see we also have parent, some source information, as well as table information. Using the filter up here, we can use this to look for anything in particular. For example, if I want to have anything related to syslog, this will automatically filter and look for anything as such. For example, this card right here, syslog is appearing in the table. Same as this. This node is specifically called syslog, so we can check for that, as well as some other information. If we know the exact name, what we can do is we can type that in here. For example, I know that I'm looking for a node called syslog, and I can execute this query, and we'll only get that specific node. Again, we can also query for different types of policies. For example, if I know that I'm looking for operator nodes, I can very quickly just hit get operator from the drop-down menu, execute the query, and then we can see that. Another example would be if I'm looking for tables specifically, I can hit table, like so. And then again, if I'm looking for anything in particular, I can always filter down here.